First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. After opening Settings, tap on Wi-Fi. Next, go to Advanced Settings and tap on the saved network depending on your device. A new screen will open showing the Wi-Fi networks available and the one you are currently connected to. Select the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Now, tap on Forget or Remove this network. This will disconnect your device and remove the saved password for that network. After removing it, find the same Wi-Fi network again in the list and tap on it. Enter your Wi-Fi password, then tap Connect. Once the password is correct, you will see that your device is successfully connected to the network again. That's it. This is how you can remove and reconnect to a Wi-Fi network on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.